friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Manifestation World YouTube channel. In this channel, we share with you the best practices of our various workshops. We are having multiple workshops which you can see on the screen right now. And via these workshops, we help the people to learn about various modalities. So I would request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification regarding our upcoming videos. So here you go.
In today's video, we are going to talk about switch words. What are switch words? Switch words are one word affirmations. Switch words are powerful, poignant words used to connect directly to the subconscious mind, giving it direction for drawing the essence of that switch word for you. The more a switch word is repeated, the more it affects your energy. The more it affects your energy, the more you draw the experience, conditions, or response the switch words represents to you. For example, if you are feeling hot and you switch on the switch for fan, the fan starts running. You have just pressed the switch and it started working. Similarly, switch words are words which are chanted, written, or used once or twice and it starts working. It works very well. Many people ask, how do I use switch words? So in this video, we are going to talk about that. One great way to work with switch words is to get to a positive emotional state. And whatever you need to do to reach the positive emotional state, you should do that. For example, smile, dance, sing, listen to the upbeat music. Doing something that helps you feel good before saying switch words may help them work better and faster for you. Second point is set your intention for what it is that you want. Imagine that it is already completed and then you start chanting the switch words. For example, I want to be calm and comfortable and have a successful meeting with my boss. And for that, I am going to chant a switch word. So, first, I need to be into a positive emotional state, and then I need to set my intention. Third is flip the switch. Flip the switch means you can say it, you can think about the switch words, chant, write, or even intend the switch words. We need to write or chant the switch words in the set of 7, 11, 21, 28, 45, or 108 times. Or you can chant any number of times with full faith and it will work for you. Fourth point is spend the next 20 or 30 minutes doing something that helps keep you in a positive emotional state. This helps in quick manifestation. Repeat switch words 28 times morning or 28 times evening or whenever you get time. You should repeat it. As much it is chanted, as much you will get the benefit. So you can write the switch words on your body. You can write over an area you are intending to affect, such as tummy if you are using switch word to help flatten it, on the left hand, arm, or anywhere you choose on the left side of body. You can write them on a label and put that on your body. While on the left side of body, because left part of our body is the receiver and right part of our body is giver. So if we want to receive the energy of that switch words, we need to write it on the left part of our body. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that while using the switch words, please keep your logical mind aside. Yes, you must be thinking that how chanting a word can do the magic. So such kind of thoughts should not come in your mind. Please remember, manifestation is a 4-step process: ask, believe, action, and receive. and switch words helps a lot in the belief process. So once your wish list is ready, then create a switch phrase for you and daily use them. Any questions you may ask. There are mainly three categories of switch words that has been defined. First is universal switch word. These are the switch words that flip switches for 95 to 100% of the people. The switch words given in the list by James Mangan in his book The Secret of Perfect Living and the Shunyam Nirav in his book Switch Words easily give you whatever you want in your life are all universal switch words, though there are other open switch words which James mentions in passing throughout his book. Second type of switch word is open switch word. These are the words that flip the switches in most people. For example, 50 to 94% of the people. There is a very large number of this type of switch words. Many words that resonate with you but are not listed in James' book or not on the list of universal switch words. There are thousands of open switch words. Personal switch words are those switch words that flip switches in individual people. These words often are names of family members or close friends or whatever, but these works for someone individual. And yes, there is one switch word which is the master switch word, and that is called together. Together is the master switch word for a life of heaven on earth and mastery of any task at hand. 14 categories are included in it: freedom, love, survival, security, health, money, art, wisdom, pleasure, happiness, the life of action, self improvement, service to humanity, God, religion, spirituality, and enlightenment. So, hope this video helped you to know a bit about the switch words. There is a switch word dictionary or the list of the switch words which I can send you if you ping me on my WhatsApp number given in the comment section of this video. So thank you so much for going through this video. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you so much for going through this video. Hope you loved it. If you loved it, please subscribe to our channel, comment, share, like, and you will be notified regarding the upcoming videos. So thank you so much for going through this video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye.